welcome back to the question number 5 of this chapter. Right, so we have already covered till question number 4. So today we can move on to our next question, that is question number 5. So let's see what is question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. So you have been asked to find the property. See, we have studied so many properties in this chapter, right? Commutative property, closure property, associative property, distributive property, and so on, right? So we have covered all this property. So the question number 5 is, you have been given some question, that is some property have been applied in all this question, and you have been asked to find what property is used in each question. So we can see question one by one. Okay, now first we can move on to our first question. Our first question is minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5. So just see what is the property applied here. Okay, now I can write this question as a into 1 equal to 1 into a, right? So I have taken minus 4 by 5 as a. So a into 1 equal to 1 into a. So you will get finally a, right? That is, if you multiply any number with 1, you will get the number itself. That is the meaning. That is, if you multiply a with 1 or 1 with a, your answer will be a, right? So you can say that 1 is the multiplicative identity in this case, right? So you have studied what is multiplicative identity, right? So here we call 1 as a multiplicative identity. So same property have been used here, that is minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5. Your answer will be minus 4 by 5, right? That is, if you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number itself, right? So here you can say that 1 is a multiplicative identity, right? So this is the property used in this case. So understood what is the property used here? Okay, so 1 is a multiplicative identity and this is the property in the question given to you. Now we can move on to our next question, that is minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. So this is the question given and you have been asked to find what is the property used here. So here also I can consider this term as A, okay, and I will consider this term as B. So how I can write it? A into B equal to B into A, right? Because minus 13 by 17 I have considered as A and minus 2 by 7 I have considered as B, right? So A into B. So here again you have got minus 2 by 7, right? So minus 2 by 7 means I have taken B, right? So write that B here, B into A. So A into B equal to B into A, right? So what is the property? Yes, commutative property, right? So you have already studied right. So you have already studied what is commutative property, right? That is A into B equal to B into A. This is the basic equation of commutative property and the same property have been used in this question. Understood? Now we can move on to the next question, that is minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equal to 1. So this is the next question. So here you can see that this number is the reciprocal of this number, right? That is minus 19 by 29 is the number. So here you have got 29 by minus 19 which is a reciprocal. So you have already studied the reciprocal theory, and when you multiply a number with its reciprocal, you will get the answer as 1, right? That is, if you multiply A by B into B by A, you will get answer as 1. So reciprocal theory, or when you multiply a reciprocal with its number, you will get the answer as 1. So 1 is called the what? Multiplicative inverse, right? So 1 is the multiplicative inverse. Okay, so this is the property used here. So you might have remembered our last question was, that is question number 4 was based on this what theory, that is this property multiplicative inverse, right? So we have already covered what is multiplicative inverse and we have solved question based on this property, right? So here also the same property have been used. So hope everyone has understood the 3 property given to you, that is 3 questions have been given to you in this property, right? So hope everyone has understood each question one by one. Okay, so we have completed question number 5 of this chapter. Okay, now we can move on to a next question, that is question number 6.